अस्सलाम वालेकुम MDCAT के बच्चे पूछ रहे हैं कि what to do and how to study in 2025, right? मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि in 2025 what you have to do is to uh, you should work on your weak points and you should write on a paper what your weak points were in the last test actually, and see, you can analyze yourself, you can analyze your subject, each subject, and you should analyze yourself as well, then like the time management or maybe the picking power, or maybe you were studying in the wrong way. I'm telling you that there is a difference in FSC and MDCAT. I always say this, that there is a difference between FSC and MDCAT, and our problem is we take it the same. We think that that FEC and the MDCAT is the same. More oftenly, I see the students that come in. There is the problem that they cannot qualify the test, and they think like we have got very good marks in FSC, and therefore we can get very good marks in MDCAT as well. And this confidence, or I can say overconfidence, spoil them, and it creates problem, right? So therefore, what you have to do is to do very smart study. The smart study is, or the smart work is, to point out all your problems and your weaknesses, and then you write it down, and then work on those points and those weaknesses, and then how to improve all those things, right? Maybe there will be a lot of problems. For example, I'm telling you that this is very, very much important, that you should know all the tricks and shortcuts and mnemonics of the MDCAT in chemistry and physics and biology, by the way. Like, let me tell you something. Today I met a student, a new student, who was sitting in my class, and when I said that how many non-metals are there, so she told me one of my tricks, right? I asked her that from where did you learn? She said from our teacher. I said very good. And then when I asked the next question, she hanged. Then the next question, she hanged. So the thing is, like, actually, when you learn one thing and then you say, oh, this is more than enough, I know a lot of tricks and a lot of things, but you have to study, you have to do a lot of practice, right? And a practice makes a man perfect, we know it, right? If you do practice, you'll become perfect. Of course, no one is perfect, but yes, you will go towards the perfection. Like, you need, this is the moment you need the hardest work. Before there was no need, but now this is the need of the hardest work. You should work harder and harder and harder to get to the best, right? And there are a lot of books in the market. If you want to have the MTCAT data, and if you want to do practice of the MCQs and different things, so you can follow the chemistry in my pocketbook as well. And also you can follow our alicoachingacademy.com website as well, and then you can do, yeah, if you want to learn free or have a revised course once, so you can follow the Ali series books by ACA YouTube channel. And if you want to have detailed lectures or information and updates and everything, you can follow the Ali Coaching Academy YouTube channel. Okay, see you there.